know. So do you think we should put this couch on this wall here?
If we put the couch on this side and
Guys,
then...
let me tell you the problem. The problem is that all the outlets and the Ethernet cable's on this side, so I have to run an Ethernet cable like along the wall, or I want to just
all
put
the way
it under
here.
the rug, sweep it under the rug, because I literally do not care about tripping, because like who cares? So I think we should just put the couch here because it's the L, and then I can just be cozied up in the corner, put the TV stand here, and then I guess put my desk over here, and then
The thing is, here's the kitchen, and her
Yeah.
desk might stick out a
the
little
desk
bit.
is for sure gonna stick out like a sore thumb. So I think that
Should she keep the couch here or move it here? Comment down below what you think we're gonna end up. Sorry, she's gonna end up
I'm
deciding.
gonna end it. What we're gonna end up deciding. All my
Pantry.
food is in here.
Soft clothes, watch this.
Be washing and drying. So it's like it's really convenient.
Oh, this is just utilities.
And so I think I'm gonna put my cleaning carp in here, like a vacuum.
Or you could take off the doors and make it a bar.
There's actually, guys, you get free draft beer upstairs at the rooftop lounge. Everyone head to floor 15. 16. Here's my bedroom.
Has a fan with the light.
The dresser is the only thing in the right place, guys. Nicole, I've had this dresser for like 10 years at this point.
I built it.
Nicole literally, she just destroyed it after. It's like real
I
wood
built
too.
it.
It's real wood.
It's IKEA.
It's real wood. It's like the dark spruce trees from Minecraft. I need a, so welcome to the bathroom.
Bathroom!
We're neighbors. There's so much counter space, I can't wait to make it messy. The shower, we could all fit in here. Here's my closet. Perfect for Andrew. He can sleep in here or stay forever. But yeah, I have so much space. So if anyone wants to move in, I don't have room. But
Wait, I
have room in
could
my
sleep in
closet.
here this week.
You could.
I
Oh
won't.
wait, the twin bed.
Oh,
I got this.
coming! Oh. What?
Everybody gotta keep moving. Keep moving on.
Guys, it's Tuesday. Right?
It's Beverly,
It's Tuesday. We drove down on Sunday and we started moving yesterday, which is Monday, and now we're gonna try and put some things together, literally and figuratively, in Hailey's place today.
First, we're going to Cedar Point.
Yeah! No, just kidding, we're not. Hey you guys, this is the start of moving day 3. It's just me and Hailey for right now. Whoa.
Guys, they got us a bunch of stuff.
Us? Just Hailey.
So start off, we got some of this,
It's rosé.
some cool shades. I got this cute shirt. It probably has some like cultural significance, but it has a zipper on it.
Isn't that good and crazy?
It's perfect for the pool. I could do that if I ever step down to the pool. Okay, so we're gonna focus on the living room today. We gotta go in chunks. Chunky.
And this is her bedroom.
Oh, it's private, super private. Private parts.
And then the bathroom. And the closet light doesn't turn off yet.
Yeah, so I'm paying for that.
Yeah.
That's it.
Hey guys, so we're at the varsity. We got 2 burgers with fries. And this is our view. It's pretty cool.
Hey guys, so just doing a little update here. Air fryer toaster oven combo. Got the ice maker fixed. Really organized. We got the desk. Basically, it's all hooked up, but it's hooked up wrong. So I gotta tweak it a little bit. On the couch with my nice throw. This is a work in progress, but Nicole got this built. And I gotta bring more tchotchkes from home to my prior home. To fill it up. TV's all set up. I gotta get some art. Comment down below what I should put up there. Just a giant picture of all of my subscribers. Here's the bedroom. And here it is. I got it all. There'll be more storage stuff, but I just don't have things. Here's the closet. The light won't turn off. But yeah, it's all perfect.
Hey guys, we're in IKEA looking for mugs. Tell us which ones you like.
It's heavy.
You didn't even try. Okay guys, is this laundry basket okay? It comes pre-separated. It's not, there's no way it's heavy. You can put it underneath. Come on now.
Then I'm gonna have to lift it up with my legs.
Not your back. Your legs out your back. Good job. Oh, sorry. Guys, do you like this pot? It all looks bad. This one? I kind of like this one. Hailey wants this one.
No, I don't.
But these are the baskets we got. That's my vote.
I'd rather get rid of my space.
I don't like it. Okay, we won't get plants at all, but I really think you need some greenery. Like, look at this color palette and imagine that blue pot.
You don't like this?
I don't think it would add as much greenery as I'm needing for your space. Stop.
Hello?
No one called you.
Help, get me out of here.
Hailey. Oh my gosh, I'm pulling my hair out. Hey guys, this is the final. I'll give you a haul when we're back. Stop smiling like you're having fun.
We haven't eaten dinner before 9 p.m. in the past week.
Or more. So.
Since the pasta party.
Yes. Hey, we're at dinner. We got a birria quesadilla, I got chicken quesadilla. Hey guys, here's an updated tour. So we have this wipe your feet mat. We have a little shoe rack by the door and like a catch-all thing. This is a record player I made. I didn't make it. It's a record a vinyl, and I made it into a bowl. This right now is just recycling. We need to take it downstairs, and this is our trash can. You're gonna go there.
Guess what Nicole did?
What?
Did you guess?
No, they didn't.
She threw my cutting boards behind the stove.
I didn't throw them, I dropped them. She has a Lazy Sue with napkins. She has her fridge fully stocked. So, yep, 2 butters. And then...
People understand. Margarine is for breakfast.
They're
toast.
both butter.
No.
Hailey, margarine is something else.
What did I buy?
You bought 2 butters.
No, one's stick and one's a little spreadable thing.
Okay,
Like
this she uses for cooking and bacon, and this is what she uses on her toast.
Yeah, it's different, guys. It's different.
Snickerdoodles, pasta salad. She's still in the market for a toaster. If you guys have any recommendations.
Yeah, I'm gonna put it right there.
Here's her tea bags. Here's her kettle. We did a test run, that's why it's spotty. And up here right now she has spices. She has Tupperware. It looks soft closed cabinets. Isn't that nice? Here's her utensil drawer.
Stop, they're gonna see what I'm doing.
I've never seen Hailey do dishes before. If you get that reference, comment down below and like the video.
Dead in a car crash.
Stop.
Oh, spoilers.
We got this yesterday and this today. It's hand soap. So when you're a guest at her house, use this to wash your hands.
No one's coming over.
We'll see about that.
So bad, I can't.
The wires are so bad, and she said if you're gonna do it, you're gonna do it right, and she did not do it
They said
right.
you should throw 'em back. I just have to make sure it works, and it doesn't. So back to the drawing board.
Okay, she loves to draw. She's actually a really good artist. I don't know why she dropped that.
No,
guys.
here's the BTH hoodies. They came out great.
Put a picture.
Nicole insert a picture because it's shipping to the house right now.
Here's her living room right now. Here's her rug, her new throw. We got this as a side table, but it's not working as that. Here's her entertainment center, has her record player, the Xbox. Don't look under there because there's nothing. I meant to put those away. She's expecting a guest, another guest, so towels are laid out. Here's the bookshelf, her tchotchkes, and then this is my Beyonce hat. And then there's two little. Yeah, mine looks better because I love myself more than I love Hailey. And then 2 baskets from IKEA. If you want to know where anything's from, comment down below. Hailey tried to wash her hair and then
take a bath.
it flooded into a bath, and then she had to come out in the sink and wash
guys,
shampoo out of her hair in the sink.
fellow glasses wearer and you like literally cannot see in the shower. And then I was like, why am I swimming in my feet? And I look and it's like this close to spilling out the sides of the shower. So then I turned it off and I hopped out with shampoo in my hair and I put in a maintenance request.
And she washed her hair in the sink. Here's her bedroom. It's a work in progress. It's the last room that really needs some work done. It's mostly just like here and there, finding their place. If they don't have a place yet, they're in here. I'm taking these back so I can go to school. She has a nightstand on either side and her queen bed, fit for a queen, and her mirror. And that's the door to the bathroom, but I'm gonna go this way. And this is coming along. It looks cute, I think. We got this plant and vase from IKEA. Yeah, it's just kind of a work in progress. I was gonna put towels down there, but then I forgot to. So here's her laundry bin. We also got that from IKEA. And then her closet, which is my pride and joy. It probably will never look like this again. She's getting a hanger for those. How do you feel? First night in the new place.
Kind of sucks, if I'm being honest, TBH. Guys, I'm super grateful. But that shower pushed me over the edge. Guys, if you want a full gaming setup, music setup tour, let me know.
This show isn't that good.
Hopefully no one wants one. Plus spilled my spices.
I did not do that. Hey, we were trying to cook dinner and Hailey started a fire. Okay, robot.
I actually can. Here it is, look. Looks better in person, I swear. She is a woman.
What? She put a hair in it. Just kidding.
Oh, you have to really hold it out. Yeah.